So I recently got the new iPhone 17 Pro and needed a case for it and partnered up with Locovo. The brand did send this out to me to try out, and I just want to show you guys what the case looks like and just my overall thoughts on it. So they do have a lot of different color options and different size variations you can choose from. This is in the color green, which I really like, and it has this really nice metallic look to it. Even though this whole thing is silicone, it has a really nice soft touch to it. The thing that's really awesome is that they do have these little protectors for your camera. So as you can see, they're not just hollow. They actually do have a casing here, which is really awesome. And then you do have the MagSafe capability here also, which is great. So here's my iPhone 17. You just snap the case in and it looks really nice, and it masks most of the color of the phone. There is a little bit of coloring that does come through of the phone itself, but it's very minor in different areas. Overall though, this looks really nice. And then the MagSafe works really well also. Plug this in right here. There it goes, works without any issues. And then I do have a charging block here, and it's on there really nicely, which is great. A really awesome case, really easy to put on, also really easy to take off. That's another huge thing. Some cases it's a pain to get off. This one comes off really easily. Again, very nice texture to it. You have a good, nice firm grip on it too, which is really great. So overall, if you're looking for a phone case for your iPhone, I'd highly recommend, definitely check this one out.